Hello! Welcome to the vlog. Wow, my highlight is shining, shimmering, splendid. Tapos ang liwanag ba? Hi ba? There's Baba eating marshmallow. And there is Ate. We are going to what's that? SMC side na naman, of course. Lagi na lang kami pupunta doon. So, today pala guys, is already Sunday. Oh my God, Sunday na. Monday na naman bukas. And we are just going to quickly go there kasi may bibilihin si Baba. And then si Ate too has business go to SMC side. So, we are just waiting for Rookie and Ate kasi hindi pa nakabili si Atis. And I wanna show you something guys. I don't know if you can see, but I have a lot of red spots going on. Ayan. Ito, yung pinakamakati. Tapos, meron din dito. Sa other side, ito, ang kati-kati din, guys. You cannot see it. Ayan. Grabe. Tapos, marami pa dito. Oh my gosh. Ayan. So, yesterday, I was removing Kuto from the Dodge. And, I don't know if kagat ito ng mga kuto kasi ang liit-liit ng kuto ni Miguel. I think lumipad yung maliliit, yung parang dust lang na kuto kasi kinakalkal ko, ginaganyan-ganyan ko yung kuto niya para matanggal yung sa niya, sa feet niya. Tapos Miguel was also biting me. Ayan, oh my God, what's this? Oh, what's this? So yan, ang kati-kati guys, grabe. Ayan, dami dito na part. I don't know. I'm not sure if ito is kuto or allergies or something or tilas. Unsa ng tilas? Uy. Basta ayan. Oh, grabe. Looks so ewy. Ayan. Can you see it clearly? Ayan. It's so itchy. What is happening? Ati's going to the bank. And then pagbaba ni Ate, ito yung dala niya. Crazy man is Ate, eh?
Crazy.
Oh,
Kamu
crazy.
napalitan ng Hello Kitty.
Ako? Kailan ako bumili ni Hello Kitty? Na malibang na sa Hello Kitty ron. Wow, daming pera ni Ate, oh. 20 ra di ay. Wow. Kailangan dahil, magkano yung ilagay mo sa lagyanan?
Kuha na ni 1,000.
Wala mo gikuha.
Kuma yun.
Wa, ang bata nga.
Gaya, sick. Ano butang mo ba?
Bitaw! Or
Ang
ambo.
buhay ni alkansiya ni Ate.
Basta na, pero
Ito, bungkal her
Bungka.
alkansiya. Kain mo na to dito. Kain mo na ato dito. Kain mo na tayo neto, oh. Jack Angel Blueberry na. Blueberry cheesecake. Yung pinagkaiba lang niya, guys, is ito, yung biscuit niya. Gonna show you. Oh. This one, ito sa blueberry cheesecake, dark yung niya, biscuit. Pero sa yung hindi cheesecake, white yung niya, yung biscuit niya. They have the same taste. Yan. Again, the life. So good. Really, department jud kuan man ta BDO. Nandun sa taas yan. Hi ba? Te. Hi. Kuya, mag-get niya ate. We wanna watch Dumbo. Unsa daw ko si Dumbo? Kasi showing na doon si Dumbo. Si Dumbo is an elephant ba nga? Mo fly. You know?
butterfly.
Yeah.
Elephant
You know,
fly.
mas papa, uy.
Bahala na siya.
Ay,
Ay, nawa.
Uy,
Sige.
sige. Asa mang kati? Uy, sige.
Hawa. Candy corner.
Ha? Trending corner?
Candy corner. Tama mo.
No, no. Sagad lang mo da. No, no.
It's so crowded here.
Yeah.
The ate.
Ate.
Outside.
Hi. So, we're chilling here sa food court. We're eating here sa food court, guys.
Kikisa ni.
Tapos na kayo?
Kikisa ni.
Yours.
Oh,
Ayan, oh. Ito kami sa may dim sum break and then long weird ng mata ko. Then I'm of course having this one from Torx kasi this is my favorite. Ayan, may inom na si Baba. Doon na ka din. What happened to you ba? This is Ate's name for today. Ate. Guys, we're here sa fitting room. Oh, I'm not gonna show you.
Weird yung kung lips kaya
Weird as well.
Kaya
So
na
we're
ay-
just trying to fit some clothes kasi naka 50% off dito sa malapit na mag-close, so we're just gonna hurry. We need to document that
kanang
we are here sa customer service.
kanang
Nanong nawala man, so magbuhat na si Papa unsa ng oras na iwan nagbaba yung binili naming miniso, guys.
Babay next na ko.
Ha.
Dala to siyag. Miniso na bag mo na gato. Sabi na ko na ni ate. Ano naman ako?
Bitaw, come on. Grabe si Baba. Uy, nintay na kami ni Papa, ni Rookie. 8:30 na, tapos punta ka kami ng grocery. Ikaw, Jude, Baba. Mano man ka ba? Uy, be responsible, good ba? Na, mag-wait pa ta ato. Naghiwat na mong Papa, di nakatawag kasi lobat na. Uwi na kami, hapit na mag-9. Summer man din. Summer pala ngayon.
Amo ate.
Yeah, di ka raman din, no? No, don't. Yan, ang dami pa tao. It's almost 9. So, just gonna film this quickly, guys. We just got home from SMC side and we also bought some stuff from Mini. So, I'm gonna film this ahead because Baba is going to gift this to her friends. So, here's our bag. We only got very few from Mini. So Ate got this one. This is pencil case and this is like 179. I don't know. Yeah, 179 pesos. And then of course Baba got a new earphone because wala na, nasira na yung old na earphone niya. I'm so sorry for this face, pero oh my god, I look so weird right now. So, earphone, this one is only 99 pesos. And then, she also got this one. I don't know what this is, pero it's a thing daw nila. So, this one is, how much paper? Semester pa. Like, 179 pesos on this one. And then the last one that Baba got is this very simple notebook that has Miniso here. So, ayan, ang cute ng ano niya, guys. Yung marker niya, may ano dito sa ends. May basta ganito sa ends ng marker niya. So, the inside is like merong plain na pages and then meron ding tatlong klaseng pages. Tapos merong may stripes. And then, yung last na pages are dito, mga dots, diba? I don't know if you can see it, but merong mga dots na sa last pages. So, those are the things that we got from Miniso. Oh, Baba is so excited. Saan gisuot ba? Ito yung binili ni Baba na notebook. What did you write? Secret? Oh, grabe. Gipaningot na ka ba? Napawis na si Baba. Napawis. So excited. What did you write on it? Wow. Mao, Baba. So, we're finally home. It's almost 10. We got home mga 9:30. Ayan. So, I just quickly filmed a whole video. Yung yung minis on the part kasi Baba is going to give that to her friend. Yeah. So, yan. And I don't know if when will I be able to film the haul, SM haul. Konti lang naman yun, but most probably by Saturday na siguro kasi merong class sila, so they won't be able, most of the clothes that we got kay Baba tsaka kay Sashi. So maybe today is Sunday, next Saturday na pag wala sang class. So yeah, that's it for today. Oh my god, I tell you guys kanina, I'm just going to quickly share to you. Yun nga, yung binili namin from Miniso, iniwan ni Baba while we were busy fitting and choosing sa mga damit doon sa SM department store. And then Baba, oh my god, Baba left the Miniso paper bag. Luckily, may nakuha yung tindera doon. Then we went to, natagalan kami, nintay kami ni Rookie, natagalan kami because we went to customer service to look for the bag. And thankfully naman, yung, I don't know if yung sales girls lang doon yung nakakuha ng bag. Thankfully sila kasi tinurn over nila sa customer service. If not, yung parang yung mga may customer din na pag nakakita ng something and they just give it to themselves. Luckily, hindi ganyan yung nangyari. So, we retrieved the bag, and although hindi naman maraming laman yung minisip bag na binili namin, pero sayang din, di ba? It's 600 pesos worth. So, sayang din. So, I'm happy na nakuha namin yung binili namin from Miniso. So, I think that's it for today, guys. I'll be saying good night now, and I hope you have a wonderful day and a great day as always. And always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. And also like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed, and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated on today's video. So once again, good night, and I will see you in the next one.